Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your Xbox account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Xbox application on your device, and once it is opened up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password by clicking on the sign in button. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the store page. Now if you wish to change your profile picture, then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and then click on View Profile. You will now be taken into your profile page, from which you will find your profile icon. When you hover over to this, you can see the Edit button. Just click on this and now you will see the various different options that you have to set as your profile picture. Scroll down and then click on any picture that you are interested in, and now click on the Save button, and this will immediately be saved as your new profile picture on your Xbox account. You can change this picture at any time if you wish by coming back to your profile menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture on your Xbox account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.